These are the strongest glasses that I've ever prescribed. You can see the power in the center of the lens. It's sort of a bubble, and that reduces the thickness of the lenses. These magnify about 8.5 times. For optometrists or opticians watching, that means they're plus 34 diopter lenses. They focus at about 2 or 3 inches from the man's face. He will hold his reading about here. He's actually had this exact type of glasses for many years because his condition is hereditary and lifelong. He has what's called Leber's hereditary optic neuropathy, a congenital condition that has left him legally blind his entire life. In spite of that, by using glasses like this, he's gone through college and graduate school, and for many years has been a full professor in a graduate school here in Virginia. He's accomplished that by using glasses very similar to this. Tomorrow, when he comes to receive these glasses, he will also be receiving what's called an Optero XL, a device that will turn his iPad into a high-quality, multifunctional magnifier, which he will be able to read standard-sized text enlarged with the Optero XL without the use of these glasses. There are many types of specialized glasses that help people with impaired vision with reading. If you'd like more information, give me a call. I'd love to talk with you and help you. Thank you.